content creator, influencer, blogger, YouTuber, social media personality. If you call yourself one of those titles or have been referred to as one of those titles or work in a related genre, then you need to watch this video. Hey there everyone, this is Jessica from Domesticatedme.com. If you're new to my channel, welcome, bienvenidos. My name is Jessica Flores and I am a beauty-obsessed, fashion-loving, DIY project-making Latina mom from New York City, and I blog and vlog at Domesticated Me. I am so excited to film this unboxing because it is something that I've been hyping up in my head and have been hyped up in my social media, Instagram feed for weeks and weeks and weeks, and I'm so excited that it has finally arrived and I'm finally opening up and checking it out and showing you guys. So, you guys know that I'm a big agenda planner fanatic. I have two whiteboards that I use to plan out my content. I have Louis Vuitton planners, one that is a notebook for my content and one that is my personal agenda. I have an Erin Condren life planner and much more than that. And this is my new addition to that whole entire collection, but it's very special and very different. So I'm going to stop talking and introducing this and finally take it out of the box because I've been staring at this for so long and I'm just dying to dig in. So here we go. Here is the cardboard box that it comes in, and as you can see, it is the content planner. So here is the cardboard box that it comes in, and it is the content planner. I learned about this through a friend who posted it on her IG stories, which linked to the Instagram account for this, the content planner, and it is basically what you can imagine, what you imagine it is. It is a planner that has been made specifically for people who create content online, which is what really intrigued me about this. I normally use my personal agendas, planners, calendars, however you want it, and I will myself put in when I need to post a blog, what video I'm posting up, what am I doing next week, social media posts. I have to put that into what I've purchased and have in my collection. But this has been made specifically with people like me in mind. So I don't have to go in and write my own little things. It's already here for me. So I'm going to open it up now and reveal the actual planner. It comes really beautifully packaged. As you can see here, it has gift wrapping paper that says "You are gold." There's a gold foil star here that says "Your organization awaits." And here it is. So it comes with a little thank you card. So the little note here says, "Thank you. I admire the way you've invested in yourself and your business. Your support means everything and I'm forever grateful. Wishing you all the love and success in the world, Kat." So that is the creator of the content planner, and here is the planner itself. As you can see, it's a really, really pretty, kind of like a pinkish lilac color. Very pretty. And it has gold springs here, and then these gold corners. Really, really well made. A nice thick cardboard cover. Oh! And they included some pins. Oh my gosh, these are so cute. Oh my gosh, so cute. Check these out. It's like a little camera clip with a heart in it. So they sent me two of those clips, and when I purchased this, there's a little promotion happening. So I think I got a discount and was able to get this pen free of charge, and it is the Content Planner pen. It is gold with a little diamond on the top. Not necessarily my style, but I thought it was really cute. And of course, if there's a promo code, I have to use it. All right, let's take a look inside. So here on this cover, there is a little folder flap, so you can stick some things in here. And then they included some stickers here, and it says match your month. I actually really, really appreciate that because sometimes you're not buying agendas at the beginning of the year. Sometimes you're using it in September if you're a student, or you could have just found out about the content planner and want to start using it right away, which I may do actually. So I will be starting with December. So I don't have to skip pages. I'm not wasting paper. I'm just going right in and sticking the sticker for the month and year that I'm starting to use the planner in. And then here are some more stickers. These say important. These say to-do list. This says launch and deadline, and then this says day off. Very nice that they're reminding us to take a day off, because sometimes some of us don't know how. I'll just leave it at that. Some people don't know how to pull away. So it's very important to keep that in mind for our health. You've seen a few bloggers, a few YouTubers publicly announce that they're taking a break, which is very, very important. So that's very nice that they're including that as like a little reminder to take a day off. Here's the second sheet of stickers, and it says stick to your plan. And so here are these gray circle stickers with the Instagram logo. This one says live. These say F, it's the Facebook F. These are the Pinterest logo. This line is the YouTube logo. This time, this picture right here is of a phone. Email logo. This says blog. This says post. This line says me. This says exclamation point. These are checks. These are little trophies. These are little pineapples, money symbols. These are little palm trees. These are airplanes. And then this section right here has different stickers. These are coffee mugs, cameras, X's, hashtags, little diamonds, stars, pencils, and then this is like a notebook and pencil. So this is one sheet, and then they included 2 sheets of the stickers. Opening up to the first page, it says the content planner, and then down here it says if found, please return to, and then there's a space for you to put your name, your email, and your phone number. These are instructions on how to use your planner. It has a section here for monthly spreads, stickers, dream space, tasks and tips, the story behind the company and the owner, and then her information there as well. Plans are of little importance, but planning is essential. That's the quote, very first quote featured here. These are 2019 US holidays plus marketing dates, which I really appreciate. So again, what really differentiates this from other planners is that this is made for people who create content online. So if you're a blogger, a YouTuber, if you're an Instagrammer, whatever it is, whatever media you're using, this is with you in mind. So not only do you get US holidays, calendar holidays here, but you also get marketing dates. So you'll see here, for example, Super Bowl Sunday, that date's here. So if you are thinking about what you need to plan for the following month, you can look at here and let's say, Super Bowl's coming up. I can create content around the Super Bowl. It's National Pie Day. I can create a blog post about how to make my favorite pie, or put a pie photo on Instagram. So that kind of stuff. This is stuff that normally we would actually just, for me, I haven't been planning efficiently my editorial calendar as well as this. So sometimes I'll just find out, oh, it's National Coffee Day because my friends have been posting about coffee. So then I'll go out and get a coffee, or I'll look for photos from my old photos to see if I have a really good like latte photo or something like that. So this just keeps all that in mind so that you don't have to get caught off guard or have to do so much research, because it's all laid out for you right here. Oh, and then this is 2019 holidays from Canada, the UK, Australia, and New Zealand. So if you are from these countries, this is also super helpful. But if your audience is from any of these countries, also super helpful. I have a lot of Canadian subscribers, and I have a lot of UK and Australia subscribers. So this, for me, totally useful as well. Here's 2019 at a glance. So you'll see each month laid out. A place for my dreams. This can be like your vision board. You can stick plans, goals, dreams all here. Love that. And this section right here says, now turn these dreams into goals. So here is a way of writing down your monthly goals, things to keep on your radar, hashtags that you really want to keep in mind, hit list and collabs. Awesome that they're emphasizing the importance of collabs. Collabs are everything. Unfortunately, I've learned this years ago, but I haven't been able to do one. So this is going on my goals list to do a few collaborations in 2019. And then this is the layout for the actual planner. So this is the month, and then you'll see here, that it says my business growth. So Instagram, you started with how many followers this month, and you wound up with how many at the end of the month. How many numbers did you grow? Same for Pinterest and YouTube, Facebook, money. How much money did you have in your business account when you started the month? How much do you have? This is really important for people who are doing, not only if you're doing it full time, but you should have a budget. I need to hear this. Jessica, listen up. You need to have a budget. You need to know how much money you have in a separate fund that is strictly for your business, for your blog, your channel, and all that. Because when you mix up your personal money with that, it just becomes a blur. And I really need to keep that in mind now that I've become a full-time YouTuber and content creator. And then emails. Oh, I'm so bad at emails. I'm that person that has a million emails that haven't been opened. So this is also very important. How many emails did you start with? How many emails did you end up with? So really, really thoughtful. They really put a lot of thought into this. This month's theme, this month I will, this month I won't. Love that. And then at the very end of the week, you will see my wins, which is very important to celebrate your successes, your milestones. Even if they're little successes, they are successes and they will help you grow in the long run. So any little win, you got all the videos that you wanted to get up, you got them on time, you stuck to your schedule, you managed to fit in an extra blog post, you hit a record for a Instagram photo, that kind of stuff. My next big ideas. Oh, I love that. My next big ideas, and it's similar to the dreams page. And then again, it has your monthly goals, on your radar, hashtags, hit lists, and collabs, tasks, and tips. And then here, I didn't mention this in the last one, it has tasks and tips in the bottom, and it says here, this month add a pin it button to your blog post images so that visitors can easily pin them to your Pinterest. So amazing. Right here, you're getting tips on how to grow your network, whether it's getting more subscribers, to get more activity in your social media pages. I love that. Very good. Very cool. Love that. So it's that pattern over and over again until you get to the last few pages. Here you will see my plan to take over the world, and it's 2 graph papers. And then the next 2 pages are also graph papers. This one says, let my imagination run wild. So if you do sketches, scribbles, you can do that all back here. And that is the end of the content planner. And here you get a little reminder, order your next content planner at thecontentplanner.com. So there you go. I am so excited to start using this. I'm going to start using this right away because it's just phenomenal. It really is so thoughtful. They put so much thought into this. It's incredible. For people who need to create content regularly, if you're trying to stick to a schedule, if you're trying to become more consistent, because consistency is key to success in this business, this is definitely something that you should invest in. I did it. I paid for this with my own money. This wasn't gifted to me. I saw a promo code. I used that. That's about it. But it's very important for you to invest. If this is something that you want to do, if this is something that you're serious about, then you need to invest in yourself and in your business. And this is just such a great investment. It may seem like, it doesn't even seem like it. I was going to say it doesn't seem like such a big deal. No, this is a big deal. This is a huge deal. This is so good and so well made. And again, super thoughtful, keeping content creators like me in mind, where I'm busy. I have a life. So does everyone. Life gets in the way. Doesn't get in the way, but you have to live your life. If you have a family, if you have a job, it's very hard to keep focused and to know what the next steps, because you're constantly needing to look into the future. If it's November, I already need to have December content, like holiday content up, but I haven't started. That's my goal for this week, is to start thinking about my shopping guides and reaching out to brands. So this does the thinking for you. This does the looking into the future for you, so that you know what's coming up, what you need to start working on, what is any things that you need to keep in mind, like holidays or national whatever days. So it's just, I'm so happy. I'm so happy. I will link to them below. I signed up for the affiliate program, so if you purchase your planner using the link below, I will get a small percentage of that sale at no cost to you. It's just a way to support my channel. If you like my content, if you like what I do and you want me to keep doing it, I really appreciate your support. Otherwise, go ahead and go to the website and buy it with, whatever Google, however Google sends you there, go ahead and do it. But I really appreciate your support if you use that link or any of my links. As always, please check out the description box below where I post all of my links, my social media platforms, my P.O. box if you want to send me letters. I love writing letters back to you guys, and all my information. Use that comment section below if you have any questions, comments, requests. Let me know, or just say hi, because I always love to hear from you. Click or tap right here to watch my last video, or click down below to watch another video that you might enjoy. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.